I am pleased to inaugurate this conference of education ministers and education secretaries. Very important issues concerning education will be discussed and deliberated upon here by both the central and the state governments in the spirit of partnership and democratic federalism. Human resource development is the most critical area in nation building. After all, nation development depends on having educated citizens, rural development, health and nutrition, social justice, sustained economic growth. I could go on adding to this list of national tasks where education is the common denominator. At the turn of the century, Swami Vivekananda had diagnosed the ills that plague our society and had said, a nation is advanced in proportion as education and intelligence spread among the masses. If we are to rise again, we shall have to do it by spreading education among the masses. Educate and raise the standard of the masses, and thus alone the national revival is possible. After independence, India has posted significant achievement in education. Yet our efforts have fallen short of what nation building demands. Professor Amartya Sen, this year's Nobel Prize winner in economics, says that governments in developing countries, including ours, have intervened lot to solve problems in the economic and business sectors. However, they have not intervened enough in the social sectors of health and education. This is a valid criticism. To remedy this imbalance is our collective task. The center and the states must reaffirm their commitment to the social sector, especially education. You will agree with me that what needs most attention is primary education. It is the base of everything. Primary education is the most neglected area in the entire education system. We must restore primacy to primary education in our education policy and planning. Primary education needs more money. Yes, more money to build and maintain proper school building. Equip them with books and blackboards and other instruments of teaching, and money also to convert single teacher schools to multiple teacher schools. Money is always scarce. A large part of the education budget goes to pay teachers' salaries. With the recent increase in their pay, there will be even less money for the other equally important items. We therefore need to look at other sources of funding. Private enterprise is now entering professional education. Can we not come up with innovative ways that attract people to contribute to primary schools? Stop.